Welcome to iPECS. In this video we'll show you how to connect your new Ericsson LG iPECS handset to your network so you can start dialing. If you need a little help assembling your handset, please check our guide for setting up your handset. Once you have assembled your handset, check the underside. There are two LAN ports on the phone, one with a PC graphic and the other with a LAN graphic. To connect your phone to the network, plug one end of the included Cat5 cable into a live network port. Plug the other end into the LAN port to the right on the underside of the phone. Keep an eye on the screen whilst the handset powers on. If prompted, click Yes to allow global provisioning. Your phone is now connected to the network. If your network does not provide power over Ethernet, you will need to use the optional AC adapter. Do not use the adapter if your phone receives power over Ethernet. The PC port of your handset lets you use your phone as a switch. Once the phone is connected to the network, you can plug another Cat5 cable into the PC port of the handset. Plugging the other end of this cable into your PC will pass a network connection through the phone to your PC. This is a great way to reduce some clutter on your desk. In some instances, your phone or network may need some configuration parameters to be set before it is operational. Please consult your system administrator if this is the case.